Learn how to automate C/CD processes for data pipelines to enhance efficiency and reliability. This skill is crucial for ensuring seamless integration and deployment of data workflows in modern data-driven environments.
Welcome to this comprehensive guide on automating C/CD for data pipelines. Did you know that companies leveraging automated C/CD processes see up to a 50% increase in deployment frequency? In today's fast-paced data-driven world, the efficiency and reliability of your data workflows can set you apart. This video will unravel the complexities of setting up automated C/CD pipelines using tools like Jenkins and GitLab. Whether you're a data engineer or an IT professional, mastering these skills is essential for modern data environments. So, let's dive in and explore how these processes can transform your data operations. Let's start by understanding what C/CD means in the context of data engineering. Continuous integration, C, involves automatically testing and validating data transformations whenever new code changes occur. Continuous deployment, CD, on the other hand, automates the release of validated code to production environments. Unlike traditional software development, data pipelines involve unique challenges such as data quality and schema validations. Implementing C/CD in data pipelines ensures that data transformations are accurately tested and deployed, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency. It's a crucial step in modernizing your data architecture and enhancing the overall reliability of your data workflows.
While the principles of C/CD apply to both software and data pipelines, there are significant differences to consider. Data pipelines are inherently more complex due to the dynamic nature of data and evolving schemas. Whereas software C/CD focuses on code changes, data pipeline C/CD must account for data quality checks and schema evolution. This involves integrating ETL processes and ensuring that data transformations meet quality standards at each stage. Version control also extends to datasets, requiring careful management to prevent inconsistencies. Understanding these differences is crucial for effectively automating C/CD in data environments.
Choosing the right tools is a significant step in automating C/CD for your data pipelines. Jenkins is a popular open-source automation server known for its robust plugin ecosystem. It provides great flexibility for building and deploying data pipelines. GitLab, on the other hand, offers integrated C/CD features with version control, making it a comprehensive solution. Other tools like CircleC, TravisC, and Azure Pipelines also provide valuable features. The key is to select tools that integrate well with your existing infrastructure and meet your specific needs in terms of scalability, ease of use, and support for data-specific requirements. Now that we've covered the tools, let's walk through setting up a C/CD pipeline from scratch. Start by configuring your version control system, such as Git, to manage your pipeline code and datasets. Next, set up automated build processes using your chosen C/CD tool. This involves defining build scripts that compile and package your data workflows. Automated tests are crucial for validating data transformations and ensuring data quality. Finally, configure deployment scripts to automatically release validated workflows to production. This end-to-end setup will streamline your data operations, improve reliability, and reduce manual intervention. Automated testing is a cornerstone of an effective C/CD pipeline. It ensures that data transformations meet quality standards before deployment. Start by defining different types of data tests, such as unit tests, integration tests, and data validation checks. Implement automated validation checks to verify data consistency, accuracy, and completeness. Handling schema changes is another critical aspect, as evolving data structures can lead to unexpected issues. Utilize testing frameworks like Great Expectations or DBT to streamline this process. By automating testing and validation, you can catch errors early, reduce downtime, and maintain a high level of data integrity.
Effective version control is essential for maintaining consistency and traceability in data pipelines. It involves managing both pipeline code and datasets. Start by using a version control system like Git to track changes in your pipeline scripts. This allows you to revert to previous versions if needed and collaborate efficiently with your team. For datasets, versioning is equally important to manage data lineage and ensure reproducibility. Tools like DVC, data version control, can help manage data dependencies and track changes over time. Proper version control practices enhance transparency, reduce errors, and facilitate collaboration in data-driven projects. Monitoring and logging are critical components of a robust C/CD pipeline. They provide visibility into the performance and health of your data workflows. Start by defining key metrics to track, such as data throughput, error rates, and latency. Setting up alerts and notifications helps you proactively address issues before they impact production. Implement logging best practices to capture detailed information about data transformations and system performance. Utilize tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or ELK Stack for comprehensive monitoring and logging solutions. By continuously monitoring your pipelines, you can ensure optimal performance and quickly resolve any issues that arise.
To bring theory into practice, let's explore real-world examples of automated data pipeline deployments. In one case study, a leading e-commerce company faced challenges with the manual deployment of their data workflows, leading to frequent errors and delays. By implementing an automated C/CD pipeline using Jenkins, they streamlined their data operations, significantly reducing deployment time and improving data quality. The solution involved automating testing, validation, and deployment processes, resulting in enhanced efficiency and reliability. This example demonstrates the tangible benefits of automating C/CD for data pipelines and offers valuable lessons for similar implementations.
Congratulations on completing this guide to automating C/CD for data pipelines. We've covered the essential concepts, tools, and best practices to help you streamline your data workflows. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve greater efficiency, reliability, and scalability in your data operations. We encourage you to start automating your C/CD processes today and experience the benefits firsthand. If you found this video helpful, please comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and share with your peers who could benefit from mastering C/CD for data pipelines.